What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a what I eat in a day. I am going to be sharing with you every single thing that I eat today for weight loss. Most of you guys know that I am in a deficit. So yeah, you girls are just out here trying to get slim. So I have lost about 15 pounds since June 2020, but if you total up my entire weight loss journey, I have lost about 35 pounds. So yeah, just out here shrinking. Right now it is actually 11:50. I slept in a little bit later today. I'm actually going to get right into my workout. I'm gonna go get in a really quick workout. I'm talking like 10 minutes. My workouts are pretty quick anyways. I like to do like 20 to 30 minutes, but today we're gonna make it quick and snappy. I don't typically eat as soon as I wake up. I will just go right into my workout first, but the first thing I will do is fill up my water. I gotta refill this because this water is from last night. Am I the only one that like cannot drink the same water? Like this was filled last night and I can't just like drink that. I need to like get new water. So one thing I forgot to mention is with my water, I will take my vitamins as soon as I wake up. I've been getting super serious lately about just making sure I take my vitamins, trying to just be better with like my nutrients and making sure I have proper vitamin levels. The main reason why is because I was feeling just tired all the time. And I know when you're in a deficit, you're a little bit tired, but even when I wasn't in a deficit, like even when I was doing maintenance, months and months and months and months ago, like I was just always tired. So I have tried to incorporate more fruits and veggies into my diet and just my everyday eating, but I just feel like it's unrealistic for me to get everything that I need in. And I'm gonna show you guys. One thing that's been big as well is vitamin D3. I got this one from Amazon. This has been huge because I realized that a lot of us are walking around deficient. These are so small, by the way. Woo! A lot of us are walking around like super deficient in vitamin D, even in the summer. So yeah, and then I take a multivitamin. So something that has helped me so much and just has been a major key for me is the Teami greens. Huge shout out for today's sponsor. Teami is sponsoring today's video. I have been using this for weeks now, you guys, and I've just been completely obsessed. It's basically like a green juice, but you don't have to. It's so much more convenient than going to the grocery store and getting all the different greens. I've already used like half of the tub. It is super convenient, and I'm telling you, ever since I've just been taking care of my vitamin levels, making sure I've been getting my whole foods, drinking my greens, I have been feeling so much better. My mood is so much better. I wake up in the morning and I just feel ready for the day. I feel way more energized throughout the day. This has so many amazing things for you. And again, like I mentioned, it's just way more realistic. Like I definitely believe in making sure you get whole foods in your diet, but it's just unrealistic to expect yourself to eat 100% everything that you need. So I love that I have this. It basically just tastes like a green juice. I feel like a lot of mental clarity too. Like I would have so many days where I was just feeling a little bit down, and just taking my vitamins, drinking my green juice, I feel so much more energized. I have a lot more mental clarity, and believe it or not, my workouts have been so much more effective because I have all the energy. There's matcha in here, there's spirulina, there's wheatgrass. Like these are things that I wouldn't get in my daily diet, but they're so important. There's so many superfoods in here. So what I pretty much do is just mix it with water and bam, you have a green juice. Or you can mix it with orange juice, you can mix it inside of your smoothie. There's so many things you can do with this. Just as long as you're taking one scoop a day, you know you're gonna get your energy, you know you're gonna get your whole foods. I'm telling you, your vitamin levels are going to improve so much and you're just gonna feel better. So they're actually having an exclusive holiday sale right now. You guys can use my coupon code Macedo30 to get 30% off. I will leave the link in the description box down below. The sun is coming up. I feel like it is just a good sign. I'm ready to get my workout on. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and drink this during my workout. I'm gonna do a quick little 10-minute workout, and then I will be back and share with you guys what I'm gonna eat for my first meal of the day. Okay, I'm like super tired from my workout. Also, I forgot to mention to you guys one thing that I have found ever since taking my vitamins, taking my superfoods green juice blend, I'm out of breath, is I noticed my skin and my under eyes are so much brighter. I'm wearing a little bit of concealer today, so I'm just saying. But I have noticed that my under eyes are way less dark, way less tired. Okay, I'm gonna catch my breath from my workout. And we're gonna make some lunch. So for lunch, I am going to use my air fryer. I'm telling you, this thing has literally saved my life, you guys. Like, oh my God, I now make dinner, lunch, whatever it is, in like 10 minutes. I'm not even joking. So I got mine from Amazon, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just preheat it. It only takes 5 minutes to preheat. You don't even need to let it do it for the full 5 minutes. But yeah, it only takes 5 minutes to preheat. So much better than an oven that takes like 15, 20 minutes. So I'm gonna use the Beyond Meat burger. I already used the other one another day, so I have this one saved. I'm just gonna do it in the pan, but now that I'm thinking about it, I could probably put it in the air fryer, but I've just never done that. I don't know, and it doesn't really take long on the stove, so I'm just gonna do it on the stove for like 10 minutes. There we go. So for my burgers, I'm gonna use these buns. I like these because they are low calorie. I love this sauce. I've shared this before. It is absolutely incredible. It tastes like Big Mac sauce. It's amazing. It's everything. And then coleslaw, I love that on my burgers. I basically have been replacing lettuce with coleslaw. I love that because you get cabbage, and I just love the taste of it. Cheese, and oh yeah, then fries. These are everything, you guys. They taste like McDonald's fries. You just wait. I'm telling you right now, go to your grocery store, buy these. They're the McCain super fries, shoestring, 5-minute ones. They literally look and taste like McDonald's fries, especially when you put them in the air fryer with a little bit of salt. Oh my god, it is everything. Also, I've already changed my shorts, but these are so comfortable. These are the TNA shorts. They're so comfy. I love the other ones, but they were just a little too tight, and I want to be comfortable in the house. Also, I removed my bra already. No judgment. Okay, air fryer is preheated. By the way, I have this linked on my Amazon. So I just like to portion control my fries so I don't have too much and then regret it. So I'll usually do like 2 handfuls like that. I like to put this one on 380 and then 7 minutes. You could just do 5 minutes, but I like my fries extra crispy, so I do 7 minutes. One thing I like doing with the Beyond Meat burger is squishing it. Just makes it a little flatter and wider. Look how good these fries look, you guys. Okay, first thing I do for the fries, put them in a bowl. I am actually running out of oil, but literally just put a little bit of oil. I'm running out, but I literally only put like 3 sprays anyways. Toss it up. Salt, and that's it. You literally have McDonald's fries. Like, so good. This is going to taste amazing, I already know. Okay, for the sauce, I just want to make sure I don't put too much, because sauces have lots of calories, so that is usually good enough. That's how you put your coleslaw on so it doesn't fall. You have to like cup it. And that's it. So simple, so easy. I kind of burnt the bun a little bit. And then the best part is, you guys, McDonald's barbecue sauce. I am like addicted to this stuff. It is incredible. It is my favorite. Every time I go to McDonald's, I get like 10 of them and I keep them in my pantry. So it's now almost 3 o'clock, and honestly, I'm actually still really full from the meal I had earlier, but I just want to get something fresh in my body, and this is the only fruit I have left in the fridge. I finished all my fruits when I need to go grocery shopping, so I just I actually do this a lot anyways regardless. I'm just gonna make myself some orange juice. I literally just put oranges with a little bit of water at the bottom, and that is pretty much it. This is my favorite blender. It is really loud, but it's so powerful, and it makes your smoothies or juices super, super smooth. So yum, so delicious. This actually tastes so good. It's so fresh. And I know for those of you who don't like pulp, you're probably like, ugh, gross at this, but I'm telling you, the pulp is where all the goodness is at. It's where all the fiber is at. It is so dark already. The sun has already set. I'm so sad. But anyways, we're gonna start marinating the chicken for dinner. It is about 5 o'clock right now, and then by the time everything's done, it'll be like 5:30. First thing is some garlic. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. This is blended up in my blender. I'll pop up on the screen what this is. And again, I just blended this in my blender. Some salt. Black pepper, And then I'm gonna put some chili powder, a little bit of paprika. And then I'm gonna use some of this, but I'm not gonna put a lot. Just a little bit, like a quarter of the pack. And literally, you guys, that is it. But this tastes so good. We're pretty much gonna make like almost like a burrito bowl, but I'm not gonna put it in a bowl today. I normally would, but I'm gonna lay it out all on a plate because that's what I did last time, and it just, tastes so good. So the pan is actually preheating. I have it pretty much in medium. So for the rice, I'm gonna make cilantro lime rice. So right now it's just gonna be super plain. I'm using basmati rice. So I'm gonna do 1.5 cups. And then I'll literally just do 1.5 cups of water as well. This is garlic and sea salt in one, so I'm gonna use this. Do not put a lot. You only need a little bit. And then I will do some black pepper. Really plain right now, but at the end we'll add everything. I have honestly been loving making my rice in the Instant Pot. It's so easy. All you do is press rice, that's it. Make sure the top is in the center, and you're good to go. Also, I love using this thing that I got from Amazon. It's basically so that the chicken doesn't splatter while it's cooking and it doesn't get all over your counters and your floors. The chicken is starting to look so good, so I pretty much flip it. I would say like I do 10 minutes on each side. We're also gonna be chopping this up afterwards, but if you're wondering why are you chopping it after and not before, it's because when you cook it whole like this, it makes it so juicy, like it keeps all of the juiciness of the meat, and then you chop it at the end, and bam, you just have yummy and juicy meat. If you chop it beforehand, it is a little bit more dry, which I like sometimes as well, but. Okay, I'm so sad. I normally always make homemade pico de gallo with like tomatoes, red onions, cilantro, lime, and it is so delicious, and I love it because I get so many nutrients from the tomatoes, so that's like a bonus. But anyways, I just looked in my fridge and my tomatoes are soggy. Like I had 2 left in a bag and they were bad. So instead, I'm just gonna make like a corn salsa. I already have chopped onion. I love having chopped onion in the fridge because it makes it so much easier. And I am running low on cilantro, but I'm gonna use the rest of what I have here. And then that way I have pre-chopped cilantro. We're gonna use this for the rice, but it'll also just last for the next few days. Some pepper, some salt. And you have some beautiful corn salsa. We're just missing the tomatoes, so sad. Okay, lastly, we're gonna warm up some beans. I'm not gonna put too much beans because they are pretty high calories, so you just have to kind of watch your portions or fit it into your day, whatever floats your boat. I do like beans, but I don't like a ton of them anyways. But they do taste really good with this meal, so I'll usually put like 2 tablespoons. A little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and I will literally just let that sit on like low medium heat for like about 3-4 minutes. Okay, so now that the rice is done, look at that beautiful white rice. Always use a fork to stir fresh white rice so that you don't smush it. A spoon will smush, whereas the fork has holes, lets the steam go through, and it just doesn't smush it. So now is when we're gonna add some fresh lime and cilantro. And even when I eat this for leftovers, every single time I warm it up, I'll add a little bit of fresh lime and a little bit of fresh cilantro so that it tastes fresh every time. You have some fresh cilantro lime rice. This is really inspired by Chipotle because they always do that to their rice. Now I'm going to start making my plate and chopping up the chicken. I put some lettuce here on the plate. This is my favorite part because it's so fun to chop this. Just take a nice good knife. It's actually easier to do it upside down for some reason. Just put some amazing rice on my plate. I didn't put too much rice because I just wanted this to be more protein. Add in the beans. And add in your corn salsa. Now this right here is actually ranch mixed with some of that chipotle and adobo sauce, but I'm not gonna put too much of this. Just a little bit. Sour cream. I am gonna do a last little sprinkle of cilantro. And that's it. Like, how amazing does this look, you guys? The best part about it is it's so filling and so delicious. So it's around 8 o'clock right now, and I'm always craving dessert right before bed, or kind of like after dinner. And I'm gonna have a Kit Kat bar. I don't normally get these or have these. Let me show you guys. I actually sometimes will get the, I'm gonna organize my pantry soon, but anyways. Sometimes we'll get the little minis, and these are way easier to fit into your calories, and they are just amazing. Like, I actually have these all the time. I'll have like 2 or 3 of these. But this week when I went grocery shopping, I decided to get the 4-pack of the full-size bars and just live it up this week. Just fit it in my calories and live it up this week. So that's what I'm doing. So good. Kit Kat is 100% top tier. So that is it, you guys. I am going to eat my little Kit Kat, live my life. And yeah, that's pretty much it for all that I ate today. I did go over my calories a little bit today. I wanted to mention that because I've been like editing the video as like throughout the day. I did go over my calories today by a little bit, which is okay. It's not that big of a deal. You just move on. So yeah, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.